Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your profile in the GOAT Sneakers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the profile button. And as you can see here, you will find the profile details that you gave. So you can add the photo if you want to, you can add the phone number, and you can change your password anytime. So for example, to add the phone number, just click on that and then choose your country, and then just set your phone number. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.